Ever wonder what it is like when your house, your loved ones, and your life is taken away from you? Such was the aftermath of the monsoon rains causing floods this year in Pakistan. Submerging 1/3 of the country underwater, these floods were one of the worst in decades, leaving countless homes destroyed and millions of people displaced, with little help reaching them. Shine Humanity, under its disaster management program, stepped in to play their part by providing medical treatment to these flood-affected and displaced people.
जिस एरिया में जो कोई नहीं पहुंच रहा है तो वहाँ शाइन ह्यूमैनिटी पहुंच रही है।
इधर घर रही इधर सामो
घर इसमें?
हाँ,
घर तो है ही नहीं
भाई, कच्ची मिट्टी का है ना घर।
अच्छा।
Since August 2022, a dedicated team consisting of qualified doctors and trained staff has travelled to different districts of Sindh, providing free medical aid.
शाइन ह्यूमैनिटी में इते ही असां दवा वठूं था, दवा असांखे बेहतरीन मिले थी, टेस्टिंग वगैरह हर शइ थी।
इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी करते हैं, उसमें मलेरिया करते हैं, आरबीएस वगैरह करते हैं और डेंगू का भी टेस्ट समटाइम्स कर लेते हैं। तो उसी में हम उनको मेडिकल भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ट्रीटमेंट के साथ जो भी मेडिसिन होती है वो भी उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
With the help of generous donations, Shine has also delivered cooked meals and distributed warm clothing to withstand the harsh winters. And even as the water dries out, most people remain stranded and vulnerable to waterborne diseases. The time to act is now. Your support can help the helpless and improve lives. Donate generously to play your part.